We are thrilled to announce a juicy secret here at Meal Prep Sunday, our new line of pressed juices. After listening to our clients and understanding how to better aid their fitness goals, we decided to do the research and create these juices to enhance and accelerate their fitness journey. Preliminary testing with a small group of clients showed promising results. These drinks, along with your regular meals, should help you achieve faster results by incorporating essential vitamins and minerals into your diet. They can also assist in avoiding unhealthy snacking, saving you from impulsive food shopping, and eliminating the need for grocery shopping altogether. We have 3 different lines to offer. The first one being our Green Metabolism Booster. This line features juices from spinach, kale, dandelion, coconut, apple, and lemon. These pure pressed vegetable juices boost metabolism, regulate hormones like cortisol and thyroid for optimal metabolism, and balance blood sugar levels to keep insulin levels low, making them perfect for those on a fat-burning journey. Next is the all-in-one vitamin and mineral juice line, packed with pressed fruits. It's sweet, nutritious, and sugar-free. They boost metabolism, aid in fat burning, regulates blood sugar, balances hormones, and improves muscle recovery, ideal for lean muscle building and overall wellness. And line 3, this line combines both of the previous lines, giving you everything you need to be successful in one go. For all 10 juices, if you bundle them together, you'll get them for the price of 9. That's $53.85 for 10 bottles. Lines 1 and line 2 are priced at $29.95 for 5 bottles, a great value for those looking for an edge in their fitness journey without having to do the complex research and sorting through an abundance of vitamins and minerals. To add one of our juice lines, you can do this from your Meal Prep Sunday account. You can call or text the number on screen, or you can use this QR code to get your line of juices in your next delivery. We hope you enjoy our new line of pressed juices and feel the positive impact that they will have on your fitness journey, because this was developed just for you.